Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to use Winrar to extract files. If you have downloaded a zip or Winrar file and do not know how to open it, we will guide you through the process of extracting your files quickly and easily. Now let's get started. Find the zip or Winrar file on your computer or in your Downloads folder. Locate the file you want to extract. As you can see here, we have a sample file ready to extract. To extract it using Winrar, simply right-click the file. Once you right-click, you will see the Winrar option in the menu, as long as Winrar is installed. From there, click Extract Files, then choose where you want to save the extracted files. For example, we will extract it to the Downloads folder and then click OK. The files are now being extracted using Winrar. That's it. We have successfully extracted the files using Winrar. Now we can access and use the documents, photos, or programs right away.